Hello everyone, this is Shriyam Balaji. In this video, I will walk you through hands-on on how to create, update, and view registration pages. Let's get started. Let me go to the Design Studio. Under Registrations, let me add a new subpage. Let me call it Update Registration. Add from blank as a layout. I'll add it. Okay. Now I'll say Add a form. I'll say New form. The data will be stored in course registration, and I'll use course registration power page form. I'll call it course registration update, right? So this for the update. Now, takes a second to load that. So just let me go and verify. So if you see, I have a separate form for update. I call it course registration power page form update. In the data, I'll say that when I submit the record, this data from this form will update an existing record. So that's the update, right? Now, let me move this to other pages. Okay, let me create another subpage. This is for view registration. Let's say add. Similarly, I'll create a new form just for the view registration, course registration, choose course registration power page form. Here, this is the power page view form. So I'll go here, and if you see here, this is a separate form for the view and the data. The data from this form, what we need to do is read only. So it makes this form read only. That is for the view registration. So let me move this to the other pages. So what he did, to recap, is we created two pages, one for update registration, the second for view registration. So the only difference there is the we create a form. Uh, you choose the form and then make sure on when you submit the data in the form, it actually updates a record. For the view, the difference is it's just a view of the record. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.